Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to contact Temu customer service for help. First, open the Temu app or visit the Temu website. Once it is open, look at the top right corner of the screen and find the support option. On the website, hover your mouse over support and then select Support Center from the menu. Next, scroll down the Support Center page. Here you will see different topics related to common issues. These topics may include orders, payments, deliveries, refunds, returns, and account problems. Select the topic that matches your issue. Temu will show you questions and answers related to that topic. Check the available information to see if your issue is mentioned. You may find the solution without contacting customer service. If you cannot find your related issue, scroll down further and select Contact Us. A chat window will appear on the right side of the screen. In the chat window, type your question and clearly explain the problem you are facing. You can provide any important details about your order or issue. Temu support will then guide you and provide instructions to help resolve the problem. Follow the steps given by the support team and provide any additional information they may request. Thanks for watching.